Reverse sear is a great way to add flavor to your steak and cook it over a longer period of time. Typically, it's your larger cuts of steak, 2.5, 3 inches. Some of them have bone, some of them don't have bone. But it's starting it low and slow in an indirect zone, cooking it to a certain temperature, and then ultimately cranking your grill up and just getting this beautiful sear on the outside of it, Maillard reaction and caramelization color. So if I'm setting up my grill for, a reverse sear steak, the first thing I do is make sure I set up the indirect side. So no burners on, don't need a water pan, don't need anything over it, just your burner's completely off. And then I have the other side turned down, adjusted to a temperature. So I wanna get to about 250, 275 degrees in our cook box, whether it's gas or charcoal pellet, it doesn't matter what type of grill. I season the steak normal, oil, salt, pepper. I do season a little bit heavier with the reverse sear because they tend to be a thicker steak. And then I put it indirect. Monitor the internal temperature of the steak. I'm looking to get to about 118 degrees. Depending on your grill, it's gonna be about an hour, hour and 10 minutes. Once we get to the 118, though, I'll take the steak off. And that's when we crank our grill up. So if I'm cooking on like an awesome Spirit gas grill, I have that sear zone. I'm gonna activate that sear zone, I'm gonna crank up that temperature, and I'm gonna get it as hot as I can. Once I get that grill up as hot as I can get it, I'm gonna put that steak on the direct zone. So right above that flame. And we're gonna rip it, maybe a minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes, but I'm looking to get as nice of a beautiful char Maillard reaction on that steak as I can. Flip it over, hit both sides, take it off. Sometimes I let it rest, but typically in your walk to your dining room table or wherever you're going, that steak's gonna rest, it'll carry over. I wanted to pull it off though, about 125 degrees is where I'm looking to pull it at. It'll carry over to 130-ish, but we should have a perfect medium rare around that time. A reverse sear it's an awesome way to cook a steak.
That covered everything.